it's your girl, Shot to the Nut to the. Back at you with another video. Today what I'm going to be doing is my favorite hairstyle in the whole entire world. A blowout / braid out. A lot of people ask me when I used to do it all the time, how did I get this style? So I'm gonna show you today how I do that. I literally just washed my hair about an hour ago, so it's almost dry. A lot of shrinkage, as you can see, but that's how I'm looking. This is fresh with, I do have products on my hair. A little bit, little honey. I don't have it with me, but before we do get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and all that good stuff. Okay, for the products that I'm using today, my favorite, Omega 369 by Shea Moisture. This is my favorite curling smoothie. So I'm gonna be using this after I blow dry my hair. Got my aloe vera juice with water. I like this mixture, it helps my hair stay moisturized because regular water just it evaporates too quick on my hair, so I like to use some aloe vera juice. And I just got this from Walmart. It's in a big, like 1 gallon bottle of aloe vera juice. Hopefully I can put a little picture over here somewhere. I'm extra, y'all. When I blow dry my hair, I use 2 different blow dryers. I use this one. I've been having this since college. Don't know how it lasted, but it still works. And I use this brush. I'm looking for a thumbnail. That's a thumbnail. If you see me looking this way, I'm looking in my vanity mirror, okay? So, like I do when I wash my hair, I part my hair in 4 sections because it's easier instead of trying to blow dry all in one setting. Like having my hair all over the place and blow dry, no. Put this in one, but I'm gonna separate these 2, so eventually it will all be 4 sections. Every time I blow dry, I need some type of heat protectant because I don't like putting heat on my hair. Like, I flat iron my hair maybe once a year or once every 2 years, depending on how I feel. I use this, some Chi heat protectant. Had this for a long time when I used to flat iron my hair, so. I like to do, I forgot what this method is called. I learned it from YouTube years ago, and I don't remember what it's called, but when I figure out what it's called, I will put it over here somewhere. So this is what I use. Maybe it's called the tension method. I don't know. Then I switch to my handy dandy blow dryer. This is just how I blow dry my hair. I'm not telling you this is how you're supposed to. This is just a preference for me. I like to switch back and forth between 2 blow dryers. It's a lot, and I understand if you don't want to do that, but this is what I like to do, and it works for my hair. So this is probably like 2 times a month that I do this. Not even that, probably. This is also a good method if you're going to stretch your hair out before doing the braid out. If you don't want the completely dry look, if you still got your curl pattern, scratch that. If you are doing a wash and go, you know wash and goes, your hair tangles up quick. That's why I barely do it. But if you do a wash and go, this is a good way to stretch out your curls, less shrinkage. Like if I did a wash and go, put in my gel, and I kind of use the blow dryer to do the tension method, and I would stretch it out, and I would probably just wear it like this. For my braid outs, if I'm feeling real lazy, I just usually do 4 plaits. 1, 2, 3, 4, but since I got a little bit more time today, I'm gonna do more. Well guys, this is what I got. If I see that my roots are kind of puffy, just throw a little bobby pin at the root. That's it. That's how I do my blowout and my braid out all in one. Tomorrow when I take it down, hopefully if I'm in the mood, I will show you guys how I take it down. So hopefully I can record that and show you how it turns out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Most of all, I hope you guys like the hairstyle. But before you go, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you on the next video.